by my fabulous Devki. She's just doing wonders with me. I love her. Well, you know, there are so many Indian designers are so fabulous के उधर देखना ही नहीं पड़ता. We have such a vast talent when it comes to designers. And आज मैंने अल्पना नीरज पहना है तो obviously मुझे आज ये बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. It's very edgy yet it's feminine. Accessories? I love bags. So मैंने recently एक Gucci bag खरीदा. So I really like bags overall. I follow cricket and ऐसे तो स्क्वाड काफी चेंज होते रहते हैं. तो कभी कोई किसी टूर में नहीं होते, कभी कोई किसी टूर में नहीं होते. लेकिन वर्ल्ड कप है, सो आई थिंक डेफिनेटली युवराज और गंभीर दोनों को मिस किया जाएगा. बट आई स्टिल होप एंड हमारे वी ऑल कीपिंग आवर फिंगर्स एंड बॉडीज क्रॉस्ड कि इंडिया जीतेगी. I actually watch all World Cup matches at least, and जो tours होते हैं वो भी मैं देखती हूँ. लेकिन ऐसा कोई नहीं है कि एक कंट्री के साथ मुझे देखने में बड़ा मजा आएगा उनके अगेंस्ट. I think I'll be supporting India throughout, so I hope they really play well, and I'm sure that हो सकता है कि हम फिर से ले आए ना World Cup. What do I have to say about it? अरे यार प्लीज इसे हाइप ना करो. कंट्रीज होती हैं, मैचेस स्पोर्ट है. लेट्स नॉट डाइल्यूट स्पोर्ट विद एनीथिंग एल्स. मेरा फर्स्ट क्रश वाज निक कार्टर फ्रॉम बैकस्ट्रीट बॉयज. आई थिंक मेरी एज की लड़कियों के फर्स्ट क्रश शायद निक कार्टर ही रहे होंगे. सो या I think conversation. I think when you strike a chord, you could be having a cup of coffee, or you could be having the most expensive dinner, or even a vada pav. So conversation should matter on any kind of a day. Thank you. ये दिल ब्यूटी सब आपके अंदर होती है. जो बाहर दिखती है वो तो कैसे भी आप बना सकते हैं. आजकल इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. सो आई थिंक इफ योर हार्ट इज ब्यूटीफुल देन यू आर ब्यूटीफुल एनीवे. थैंक यू. मेरे हिसाब से ब्यूटी की सबसे आसान डेफिनेशन होगी हैप्पीनेस, खुशी. क्योंकि खुश लोग हमेशा खूबसूरत होते हैं. मेरा पहला क्रश, ओह माय गॉड, ये तो बहुत याद करना पड़ेगा. लेकिन मेरी बिल्डिंग में एक लड़का हुआ करता था एंड आई थिंक बहुत 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 ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट और ब्रिलियंट आदमी था. एंड बचपन में आई थिंक मैं शायद 12-13 साल की रही होंगी एंड ही वाज माय फर्स्ट क्रश. ज़्यादातर तो हमेशा इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच देखा जाता है. तो आई एम होपिंग कि वो देखने का मौका मिले. मैं वैसे क्रिकेट फॉलो नहीं करती, लेकिन आई फील कि सब काफ़ी खुश हैं इंडियन टीम के परफॉर्मेंस से. आई होप कि जो भी है वहाँ पर
whoever will represent India वो जिताकर लाएं हमें वर्ल्ड कप दोबारा से. Well, ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स हैं. आई बिलीव कि ये अवार्ड्स फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड है जहाँ पर ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स को फेलिसिटेट किया जा रहा है. तो देखते हैं अंदर जाकर कितने खूबसूरत चेहरे आए हैं. थैंक यू.
हम लोग को भी मौका मिलेगा इतना
Rings. I'm a big ring person. I think I move my hands a lot. So whenever I'm talking, I always tend to use my hands. So I love big chunky rings.
इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच आ रहा है.
I think India is going to win the World Cup. It's not prediction. So I think whether it's India, Pakistan, any other country we're playing, I think we're going to win.
कौन सा मैच सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटमेंट से आप देखना पसंद करेंगे?
Of course, India Pakistan, there's so much of history behind both the nations and everything. So of course, an India Pakistan match always evokes a lot of emotion. So बहुत मजा आएगा.
गौतम गंभीर और युवराज सिंह का
Please, I'm not an expert, yeah. My first crush was when I was in school. My first crush was when I was in school. I can't tell you who because he'll be very flattered. I was too shy, so I never told him that I had a crush on him. And my ideal man has to be taller than me. Idea of a couple? Blind date. I don't believe in blind dates, yeah. It's too much pressure. Anyway, going on a date is very hectic. So blind date, I don't think I can ever go on a blind date. Right. But I'd have to say an Audrey Hepburn or Wahida Rehmanji or Madhuri Dixit. I think they're just beautiful. I think women, just if you are who you are, and I think a beautiful smile, just the way you style yourself, carry yourself with elegance. I think elegance goes a very long way than anything else. Who's my favorite designer? There's so many. I love Varun Meher, I love Pankaj Vidhi, I love Prabal Gurung. I think these guys are completely amazing. I'm wearing Sonia Mehra.
Have you ever had any, red carpet fan moments?
Red carpet fan moments?
Yeah.
Define?
Probably you've been starstruck by looking at someone at the red carpet.
I always, whenever I see Shah Rukh Khan, I get starstruck.
Right. And what's the strangest thing a fan has ever done for you?
Somebody once walked into my house. They called the guard and they said कि हमको सामान लेके आए हैं. And they came walking to my house and said, I just want to talk to you for like 10 minutes. So I got really freaked out. How could somebody just, enter your house and your private space? So that really freaked me out. It was a girl and a very simple, studious looking girl. So I was just like a little freaked out.
Are you that extrovert?
That's what even I thought. But somehow she was very convincing with everyone. So I was like, okay.
Expectation क्या आज की शाम से expectation क्या है?
Expectation क्या है? Femina, I think सबसे पुरानी अंग्रेजी औरतों के लिए magazine है, and it's always been sort of it's propagated beauty, confidence, everything that a modern Indian woman needs. So I think today we're celebrating beauty and beauty awards, and whether it's fragrance or makeup or hair or beauty or whatever, we are I guess giving them credit for what they've done for women all over the years. So
आप अपने भाई के साथी के साथ मूवी करेंगे उसके बारे में
मेरा भाई अभी आने वाला है, इस बार आप उनसे पूछेगा. आई थिंक मूवी करने में प्रॉब्लम ये होगी कि मैं उनसे पहले रेडी होकर यहाँ पे आ गई हूँ. He's taken more time. So when he comes, you guys please zag him about it. I like to wish all you single people just like me a very happy Valentine's Day. Oh wow!
बहुत बड़ी हीरोइन बन गई है. क्या होता है
क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन हो सकता है? इट्स अ ब्यूटी अवार्ड. हम लड़कियां बहुत सारा मेकअप यूज करते हैं in order to look beautiful. Every girl likes getting dressed up. I'm wearing Sakshi Pradhan. Any accessory brand? Not particularly. I think today a lot of Indian designers are coming up with some good work, and I'm enjoying just trying out different and new designs. Thank you.
आपका पहला क्रश?
Oh, मेरा पहला crush. My first crush was Tom Cruise. Sorry, but I was a huge. I was a typical girl who loved Pink and loved Tom Cruise. He was my all-time favorite.
And what is the idea of your planning date or a date? Perfect.
Oof. Now the perfect date. We've not date. I've not dated much. I would have to say my perfect date would have to be something adventurous. The gentleman would have to really think very hard and do something very exciting and very out of the box. I don't like all the dinner and flowers and chocolate. That's kind of boring. We cannot afford to eat chocolate. We have to be slim and trim.
तनिषा एक बहुत बड़ा
love season, but also World Cup is from Saturday it starts. So how excited are you?
I watch cricket purely as a spectator sport where I like to cheer, and I like the one-day matches and the 2020 where it gets over quickly and I know what's going on. So that's my limit as much as I know about cricket, but it is definitely a national sport, and I think our Indian team is superb, and we're keeping on getting better, and hats off.
Tanisha, who's your favorite designer?
Who's my favorite designer? Like I said, currently there are so many upcoming Indian designers and there are so many young people. Tonight I'm wearing Sakshi Pradhan, so I would say tonight Sakshi is my favorite.
India-Pakistan match on Sunday. It's like everyone is looking forward for it. So what do you have to say?
Well, I'm also really looking forward to it, and I hope that India goes and kicks some ass. I'd like to wish all the viewers a very, very rocking Valentine's Day. Have a fun time, have an evil time, and have a good time.
तनिषा एक लास्ट सवाल
अरे।
मोदी सरकार का बजट आने वाला है, बजट से आपके घर के क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन? नॉर्मल
as long as budget में मेरा जो गैस सिलेंडर का प्राइस है वो कम हो जाएगा ना, I'll be happy.
थैंक यू.
I think beauty awards, बेस्ट इन द ब्यूटी बिजनेस को रिकग्नाइज करना उतना ही ज़रूरी है जितना हम सब खूबसूरत फेसेस को रिकग्नाइज करते हैं, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट्स बिहाइंड दोज ब्यूटीफुल फेसेस अदर देन द इनसाइड ब्यूटी. सो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ब्यूटीफुल नाइट.
आपके हिसाब से ब्यूटी की डेफिनेशन क्या है? ब्यूटी क्या होता है?
ब्यूटी अराइजेज आउट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, इंटरनल हैप्पीनेस. आई थिंक इसीलिए बहुत एक क्लीशे फेज है inside out, because it has to come from within first, and then of course the best in the beauty business make it even more beautiful. My first crush was in school when I was in my 9th standard. I dated him for 3 months, and then he dumped me. There is I think for me the perfect blind date is full of imperfections. I think there is more relatability and connection उसके साथ, imperfection के साथ. Perfect would be too boring, it would be too predictable, so I think imperfection makes it more exciting.
When are you all set to go behind the mic? You're going to be singing, right?
Yes, I'm very, very excited. Yes, absolutely. I think it's another facet of mine which people are not really aware of, and I'm very, very excited to collaborate with Meet Brothers. They're my favorite. They've been churning out some fantastic tunes for all of us. So it'll be something to watch out for.
वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है, वर्ल्ड कप में युवराज सिंह और गौतम गंभीर नहीं खेले, कितना मिस करेंगे आप?
Cricket. Well, फिलहाल तो एक्साइटमेंट 15th की है इंडिया पाकिस्तान की. मैं अपने घर पे बड़े प्रोजेक्टर पे देखूंगी. बट डेफिनेटली गंभीर एंड युवराज बोथ हैव प्लेड एज बैकबोन्स फॉर आवर कंट्री फॉर वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग. उनको ना देख के मिस जरूर करेंगे, लेकिन आई थिंक ये एक इंकरेजमेंट है फॉर ऑल द यंग बडिंग क्रिकेटर्स कि वो आके परफॉर्म करें, विच इज अ ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड आई थिंक जब तक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके कंधों पर पड़ती नहीं है तब तक फॉर मी पर्सनली मैं अंडर प्रेशर ज्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म करती हूँ.
पॉलिटिकल सवाल है, बजट से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? इस बार मार्च में बजट आ रहा है,
बजट की एक्सपेक्टेशन
क्या घर का कुछ सामान का रेट कम हो जाए, क्या कुछ ऐसा?
हर चीज का रेट कम हो जाए, सबके लिए सहूलियत की बात है. स्पेशली आई थिंक द लोअर मिडिल क्लास, उनके लिए आसानी हो जाएगी. उनके लिए चीजें अफोर्डेबल होना जो हम सब तो एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन certain people can't enjoy that, so my heart goes out and I really hope that they benefit most out of all of that. I just answered that question. Valentine's Day.
मिस मालिनी की
May it be like that all year round and we don't have one day to express love to each other. Thank you.
I think beauty for me is eternal. Beauty for me is eternal. It's something very personal. However, I think it's fun to be a girl because you can use a lot of stuff to enhance your beauty, and I think that's what we're here to celebrate today. I'm wearing Gaurav Gupta today. I love his style. I love his guts. I think he understands a woman's body really well. It's beautiful how he designed the colors and his embroidery. I'm a big fan of his work. Any brand that I look for? I don't really know. I don't know. Like I wear different brands like anyone. Oh, that's actually my mom's class is Chanel. I'm a big Chanel fan, but many brands. I just admire Coco Chanel.
आप क्रिकेट को कितना फॉलो करते हैं?
मैं क्रिकेट को ज़्यादा फॉलो नहीं करती, but yes.
वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है. वर्ल्ड कप में युवराज सिंह और गौतम गंभीर ने खेला है, जिन्होंने पिछली बार हमें वर्ल्ड कप दिखाया.
जी.
कितना मिस करेंगे आप?
किसको?
कितना मिस करेंगे युवराज सिंह?
I'm a big fan of Yuvraj Singh. I think he's a spectacular sportsman. मैंने उनकी किताब भी पढ़ी है, और जो मुझे बात उनकी बहुत अमेजिंग लगती है वो ये कि आफ्टर कैंसर ही फॉट बैक और वापस आए और इस फॉर्म में है. बहुत कम लोग कर पाते हैं. बहुत ही कैंसर उनको बहुत ज़्यादा था और वो बैक, and I have huge respect for him for that. I think he's supporting the team and he's given us a lot and we have to respect it. I have to respect him for what he gave us 4 years back. वो नहीं खेल रहे हैं. मैं आशा करूंगी कि वो खेल पाए.
कौन सा ऐसा मैच है जिसको आप देख रहे हैं? कौन सा मैच?
मैं ज़्यादा क्रिकेट देखती नहीं, ऑनेस्टली थोड़ा ही देखती हूँ.
तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच है, तो आप देखना पसंद करेंगे?
अब मेरे पीछे क्यों पड़े हैं? मैंने आपको बोला मैं क्रिकेट को ज़्यादा फॉलो नहीं करती. जनरल नॉलेज का सवाल आप पूछेंगे तो मैं बता सकती हूँ कि कब है मैच है क्या है, पर आई डोंट वॉच मैच ज़्यादा करके. थैंक यू. हाँ जी, अभी आप that I can do. To everyone who's watching me right now, happy Valentine's Day. It's a day of love, day of celebrating love, and it's not the love between your boyfriend or your husband or your wife. It's the love between your mother, your brother. I think it's a day of celebrating relationships and untold relationships, something that you really cherish in your heart. It's a beautiful day, and I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day.
Ma'am, एक general knowledge question.
हाँ.
2015 knowledge question.
हाँ.
2015
आप पूछोगे ही मेरे से.
2015 का बजट आ रहा है, उसके लिए अपने कहना चाहेंगे.
Fun.
बजट
Well, how smart is that? I love it. You know, it reminds me of one Miss Universe contest where Kate Winslet asked one of the contestants, "What do you think of the relationships between the world?" Anyway, I would say I hope it benefits us all in the best possible way. I would say it gives the money transfer becomes smoother. I hope it's not about robbing the poor and robbing the rich and giving the poor. And I think it's about, I hope it's about and especially I hope inflation goes down, and I hope India becomes a better country for the poor, and I hope there are less poor, more middle class and upper middle class, and of course rich people. Thank you.
I'm wearing a suit by the circus. By my association with Femina. My association with Femina is, sorry? Accessories. Her bag. And that's about it. Well, I think I'm going to have fun, as I usually do. And well, I think I'm going to have fun. मुझे मज़ा आने वाला है. मैं normally ऐसी चीज़ों पे आती हूँ इसी वजह से, because I think that I'm just going to enjoy myself. That's the whole reason that I'm here. No. Would I like to wish India? I'm not interested in cricket, sorry. I know it's like... well, I hope हर साल हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वाले यही सोचते हैं कि इस साल कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे हमारे लिए ज़रूर, लेकिन आई एम होपिंग कि अगर गवर्नमेंट चेंज हुई है तो उनकी थिंकिंग भी चेंज हुई होगी और वो रियलाइज़ करेंगे कि जो हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है वो काफ़ी बड़ी है और इस देश का काफ़ी बड़ा हिस्सा है, तो उन्हें थोड़ा सा कैसे कहते हैं, दे शुड बी गिवन इनफ लीवे एंड द टैक्स शुड बी रिड्यूस्ड ऑन देम एज वेल.
Hi guys. I'm recovering. I'm much better. I checked out of hospital yesterday. I'm back to work today. इसलिए मैं individual bites नहीं कर रही हूँ because I'm trying to conserve my energy. But thank you so much for understanding, guys.
और जो नेकलेस है जो आपका
उसके बारे में I'm not allowed to comment on it. I'm wearing a new designer. I've put it up on social media. You can see.
And brand you are curious about it. मतलब कोई ऐसे एक्सक्लूसिव ब्रांड है जिसको आप बहुत फॉलो करते हैं?
एक्सेसरी ब्रांड आज मैं नीरव मोदी की ज्वेलरी पहनती हूँ। मैं एक्चुअली इंडियन ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री को इंडोर्स करती हूँ विद जेमन ज्वेलरी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया। तो मेरे हिसाब से इंडियन ज्वेलरी और इंडियन आर्टिसन सबसे अच्छा काम करते हैं एंड वी ट्राइंग टू प्रमोट इंडियन ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री इंटरनेशनली so that we can get more funds in for our country.
Okay, so now India और पाकिस्तान का मैच है, आप कितने एक्साइटेड हैं?
जी मैं अभी मुझे सिर्फ काम पे वापस जाना है, so I'm just concentrating on my health and on myself, and I'm really happy to be here and win this award.
So now, what is a classic beauty in your terms, in your mind? What defines and signifies a classic beauty?
Well, you know, Audrey Hepburn said very aptly, the happiest girls are the prettiest girls, and I think if a woman, to become from a girl to a woman, you need to be content and happy, and eventually you will always be beautiful. It doesn't matter how many wrinkles you have and how grey your hair gets. If you're happy and you're content, you'll automatically glow. जी मुझे अभी किसी के ऊपर कमेंट नहीं करना है, मैं अपनी बजट का संभाल रही हूँ, लाइफ की बजट कर रही हूँ. So let me concentrate on that first. I don't want to comment anything on any political things I will do that. Thank you.
मैम एक मिनट.
It's been a while since I've been on a Femina stage, so it's truly an honor to be hosting the first ever Femina Beauty Awards. I'm looking forward to a fun night of lots of beauty products. I actually don't have any Valentine's Day plans because my first ever single comes out on the 13th of February. And it's actually a hashtag #unvalentine's Day because it's a kind of a sad song. So I will be celebrating the release of my first single on the 14th, which my single is coming out on the 13th. It hasn't happened yet. That's a silly question, no? Obviously, I'm looking forward to our team, and I'm going to probably watch it with a whole bunch of friends. I can't pick, yeah. Not too soon for me to pick. Obviously, I'm very excited for the India-Pakistan match. I think that match always has the highest amount of energy, and you can hear people shouting from all their windows everywhere. So yeah, I'm excited about it.
There are some big players on the playing in World Cup. So how much are you going to get? How many also have seen that
They're two very big players, and that's why they're the big players, because they're key players, and they will be missed. But I think it'll be interesting to see how we perform without them. Javed Jafri. It's true. You can ask my mom. Okay, good. You done?